guys. Happy first day of school. It's my first day of school. You guys are already all in school. I finally am catching up, and if you can't tell on my voice, I woke up sick. I have literally such a crazy busy day, but I wanted to film this for you guys because I want to look back on this and document my crazy fun adventure being sick junior year college. Thought I would show you guys a little bit of my morning, my routine, and then hopefully take you guys to a couple of my classes. I'm actually feeling much better than when I woke up, because when I woke up I was like super congested, but my voice literally sounds terrible. I'm sorry. Anyway, today I am starting the first day of class. I'm going to anatomy today. I also have my anatomy lab today, and I have my journalism class. Right now it is currently 8:26, so I don't have class till 10, which is awesome.
Hello emotions, hello again. As every ocean come as rain.
Alright, let's do some makeup. I guess I shall just chat with you guys while I get ready. Honestly, my opinion on first days of school is this. I was the kid that used to be so hyped for the first day all throughout my entire life, and now that I'm in college, the first day doesn't even feel like the first day. It's never one of those things where you get in your class and your teacher's like, no homework. But in a way, it also is like a first day because your teachers are still like presenting a bunch of stuff about the syllabus, and you literally just sit in all of your classes and you learn about how the class works and everything. It's just weird that I'm a junior because it feels so old. After lots of deciding, I finally picked out the first day of school outfit. I'm wearing this really cute shirt from Allie and Ariel. They have like really awesome sorority stuff that's just different and really cute. And then I'm wearing these jeans are from Forever 21. These shoes are just my white Adidas. I'm gonna try to like pack this really quick. We only have like 10 minutes and I want to get first day of school pics. I know this backpack is full of a bunch of stuff I don't need, so I'm gonna just pack my backpack.
My love, we form and rise to be so free. In time, we seize infinity.
First day of school Polaroids, check. Are you ready? Ready for this excitement? Ready to study our
Only a
little
little
booties
bit.
off?
Hey guys, we're walking to A&P now. We're with the whole squad. We were just saying that we were waiting for this for our whole lives, and we're finally here. Finally, third-year juniors going to anatomy and physiology, man.
Here's the current view of all the students. Look at all these intellectual people.
To hold the line, we're never hiding, we never lie.
I'm here with Elle. We just got our traditional drink. Elle's really sick. I feel like you're always sick.
I'm not always sick. I'm just always sick at this one time of the year.
We finished with our anatomy. Honestly, the best class because the professor, he might be my new favorite teacher at the University of Oregon.
He's cool.
Yeah, he was really cool. Yeah, we have 40 minutes to kill, and then we're going, well, I'm going to my media class.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we all just got out of our anatomy lab.
Are
We
we?
all did well, though. I feel like we could definitely get through it. It's like weird at first.
You just came from cadaver?
Yeah, I just did. I feel like actually better about it than I thought I would. We're doing an unboxing. Still having a business meeting, aka plan Kiara's birthday, invite people.
Also,
Meeting.
I need the new Wi-Fi password.
We got the new mascara. Then I got 3 of thebomb.com. I got 2 of the cloud paints. So guys, this video is actually sponsored by HelloFresh, and we're really excited because Katie and I and T1 just got done with all of our classes for the day, and I haven't had any lunch, so I'm starving.
Whose pumpkin ice cream is this?
Oh, ours. We've been having that every day. Katie and I already made one of the meals the other day, and it was really good. So now we're gonna try another one for lunch. We are making these sweet and sour Yakisoba noodles. Let's get started. This is gonna be really convenient because we can literally make this in 25 minutes. We have all the ingredients right here, which is so nice. Keeps things simple. I don't have to go shopping. We also got the veggie pack because T1 is vegetarian, and you can switch which one you get. If you guys want to try a HelloFresh box, I think it's a great project. You guys can save $20 on your first 3 boxes for a total of $60 off. Use the code Kiara60. Okay, we're gonna start cooking now. All the HelloFresh meals are super easy to make and take around 30 minutes, which fits perfectly in my class schedule. And I love how I use everything provided with the pre-measured ingredients.
Look at our little chef Kiara. That's some nice cutting skills you got there, girl.
So right now we're doing the aromatics part. We're heating up our garlic, our scallions, and whatever this is. It starts with a C.
I thought you were talking about the carrots. I don't know what
Coriander. So it said to do this until it smells fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then you toss in the carrots. Boom.
It's like beautiful.
I know.
Is that your biggest pan?
Honestly, yeah.
You need like a stir fry.
All right, ladies and gents, dinner has been served. The thing is I can't cook, so having a recipe and being able to like make a home cooked meal that's something different besides just spaghetti. We've decided, what do we rate this meal?
Honestly, I'm impressed.
Tay and I are driving, we're running some errands. We need to get some school supplies. Dry erase markers, check. T1 studying the school supplies. Do you need a pencil?
I don't have like the mechanical pencils that I've been using.
Do you want the special ones?
Yeah, but these are pens.
Oh my god, this is tragic. I got the dry erase markers, so we're set, and they were on sale. We're gonna get flashcards, composition book, and I want like divider folder things, and batteries. So yeah, we'll be back. We got all of our groceries for the week. Bam. Okay, we got 2 more packages. Package number 1 from Anthropology. See, I already know what it is, so it's not that fun because I ordered it. We got 2 pillowcases. I wanted to get the European size because I have a lot of like blank space above my bed. Very French.
Those are cute.
Very cute. Okay, package 2 is from Nordstrom Rack. I also know what this is. We got some nice salad serving things. And then the final thing that we got is in here. It's 10:30. Katie Max here, as well as Kylie and Taylor. Taylor and I have been studying for like an hour and a half. And this is the view currently, doing some anatomy. And Katie was hungry, so she came over and we told her she could eat our ice cream. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. Good night. Thank you so much for watching my first day of school. Hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know how your first day of school went, even though it was probably way long time ago. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.